We'll guide you through how to set up Google Calendar step by step. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to calendar.google.com on your computer and sign in with your Google account if prompted. Once you're on the main page, you'll see your calendar view for the week or month. On the left side, there's a panel with a list of your calendars. Click on the plus sign next to Other Calendars to add a new calendar. Select Create New Calendar from the drop-down menu. Here, you can enter a name and description for your calendar, and you can also set the time zone. Once you've filled out the information, click Create Calendar. Your new calendar will appear under My Calendars on the left panel. To add an event, click on the date you want, and a pop-up will appear. Enter the event's title, time, and other details. You can even add guests by entering their email addresses. Once you're done, click Save. To customize your calendar view, use the buttons at the top right to toggle between day, week, month, and agenda views. You can also use the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings for more customization options like changing the color of your calendar or setting default event durations. To share your calendar, click on the three dots next to the calendar name in the left panel, select Settings and Sharing, and then scroll down to the Share with Specific People section. Enter the email addresses of those you want to share with, and choose their permission level. They can be allowed just to see your events or make changes. Click Send to share. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is all set up and ready to keep you organized. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.